Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 6, Functions in Top-Down Design. You should have already worked with a partner to break down the design below into multiple layers of functions. Now you have the opportunity to program your solution to see if it works. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Identify useful patterns that can be reused and give them their own functions. Remember, the functions you design can call one another. This is how you create layers of abstraction. Remember, abstraction is taking that really complicated stuff and making it easier to either read or understand or use. Functions should be given names that are descriptive and meaningful. We've covered this many times. While it is very cute to put in silly names in our program, when we have to go back and debug it or problem solve it, it isn't very helpful. Your program should be kicked off with a single call to a function that makes calls to subsequent functions. We have a little picture down here. This is a snowflake. Well, it kind of does look like a crosshair. We don't like that word here in education, so we're going to call this a snowflake. Now up here it said we should look for some patterns. If I look here, you can really see these are made up of a bunch of what looks like T's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think if I can just create one of these, return my turtle to the same starting position, that'll make this easier. Then maybe all I have to do is do a turn left, run that same function, turn another left, run the function, turn left, and run another function. So let's go ahead. Let's see what we have to work with here. Looking here, I have a move forward, a turn left, pen up, and pen down. Functions, just regular functions, and calls, nothing crazy. Let's work with our functions first. So I need a place to populate my code that I'm going to put in here. I also need a call to that function, and I'll put that up here. I'm going to call this cross, because to me that's what it looks like, a cross. Make sure these are both the same thing. So looking up, the first thing I need to do is move forward. Now move forward, it looks like I need to move forward twice to really get up there. So that one moves forward. Now at this point, I could turn left or I could go up one more. I think I'm going to go up one more, turn around, come back, turn around, come back, turn around, come back, turn around. I think that's how I'm going to approach it. Let's see if my method works. So I'm going to go move forward, move forward, move forward. If I hit play, this should just run 1, 2, 3. So let's hit run here. Yep, right there. So right at the top. We're going to turn left. So that will take me over there. Turn left one more time. And then move forward once. So at this point, this should move all the way up here, then move back. And then let's do one more turn left so we end up turning in the direction we want to go. Let's hit reset. Let's hit run. See what happens. That's pretty good. I think I have one more move forward than I want. Right there. That's perfect. Now there's some other things I could do here. I could have done turn left up here. I could have shrunk down the turn left. So if I just take one of those turn lefts and go there, that takes me that way, which isn't bad. We can always turn left again, turn left again, move forward. Now this should spin my turtle around and take me back to that spot. That's pretty good. I could turn left one more time. That will take me down. I'm sorry, up. So I'm going to go and just move forward once. Turn left. Turn left. Is anybody noticing a pattern yet? Move forward one more time. Let's see where I'm at. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's take one of these turn lefts out here. Let's see what it does when I run it. Oops. Need that turn left back. So I'm going to add a couple more turn lefts here afterwards. That's one. You can see where one spins me to. That's perfect. Move forward one more time. Do the same return. Turn left, move forward. Woo! There's a lot of lines of code in my function there. Let's hit reset. Let's hit run. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's turn one more time left. Move forward. And then turn left twice. This should, at this point now, return me to right there. So let's hit reset. Let's hit run. There it is. I do need to go down, I think, one more time, move forward. So let's add another move forward in there. So you really need to be down one more. You can see that's 2 lengths. I'm at 1 length right now. Oops. Wrong place to put the move forward. Look how one little thing can mess us up. Let's hit run. Perfect. So that looks like that top part right there. Now if I go up here, I have 3 move forwards. I really think I only need 2 up here. So let's just take one away, hit reset and run and see what happens. Yeah, I like that much better, much better. So at this part, I don't have that extra little line of code down here that lets it dangle. So this right here is my cross. One part. Now let's see if I turn left here, move another function over, call that cross. Let's see what happens. This I should draw one, it should return here, turn left, go down here, and then return to the same way. Let's hit reset, let's hit run. Beautiful, beautiful. I do need a couple turn lefts down here. So turn left, reset and run. Pointing down, perfect. Add another function in here. Another cross. Watch your spelling. Another turn left. I'm going to take a wild guess and say we're going to need one more cross. 4 points, 4 sides. And a turn left. That should put me right exactly in a starting point and should get me pretty close to it. Let's hit reset and run. Beautiful. So that is my drawing right there. Looks almost exactly the same. Now in the instructions up here, should say get kicked off with a single call here. So what I really want to do is kind of nest these things together. So I want one giant call. So I'm going to do another function here. I'm going to call this snowflake. I'm going to take my call up here, same thing, same spelling, capital S, capital F, right there. So that's my snowflake being called to that. Now I bet if I take all of this code here, move it into this new function, that will work. So anytime snowflake is called, it'll go down to the function snowflake. It goes down to the cross call here, which will go to this function and read this down here. Turn left, cross, turn left, cross. This should, when I hit reset and run, give me the same drawing I have up here. Let's see if I'm right, kids. Beautiful. I think that hits all of our requirements here. One single call to kick everything off. We have other calls inside here. My functions do have descriptive and meaningful names, and the pattern looks perfect, and the same starting point. Let's go ahead and hit finish and see if code.org agrees with us. Hey. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next puzzle. Have a good day.